You've been thinking about upgrading your current home to a larger home that has a beautiful, large gourmet kitchen, a large spa-like bathroom, larger closet space, in a community that has better amenities. Hi, I'm Travis Harris, Realtor, and I know exactly how you feel about wanting to upgrade your current home situation to a beautiful, brand new home. Ready to get started? Here are 3 things you need to have in place before we get going. A credit score of 650 or higher. Your federal income taxes filed for the past 2 years. And a down payment of 5% to 20%. Let me upgrade you today and let's go to the next level together. Take advantage of the lower available interest rates by giving me a call today at 713-295-1799. I look forward to hearing and talking to you soon.